The profile pop pose is renowned for its striking visual appeal, instantly drawing attention with its bold silhouette. By turning the subject sideways and accentuating facial features, this pose creates a sense of drama and intrigue. Lighting plays a crucial role in enhancing the effect, as well-placed illumination can highlight contours and add depth to the image. The interplay between shadow and light not only emphasizes the subject's profile, but also sets the mood of the photograph. Mastering this pose requires an understanding of how angles and lighting work together to produce a memorable and impactful portrait. To achieve the ideal full-side profile position, it's important to keep the chin parallel to the floor. This alignment creates a clean, strong silhouette that highlights the natural contours of the face and neck. By maintaining this posture, the jawline appears more defined and the overall profile looks balanced. Avoid tilting the chin up or down, as this can distort the proportions and diminish the impact of the side view. Keeping the head level also helps convey confidence and poise in photographs or presentations. Dropping the front shoulder is a subtle yet effective technique used to add elegance to a pose. By gently lowering the shoulder closest to the camera, the line of the neck appears longer and more graceful. This adjustment helps to create a sense of openness and poise, drawing attention to the face and collarbone. The overall posture becomes softer and more refined, enhancing the visual impact of the pose. This technique is frequently employed in portrait photography and modeling to achieve a sophisticated and elongated silhouette. A slight forward tilt of the head can significantly enhance the definition of the jawline. By gently moving the chin forward, the contours of the jaw become more pronounced, creating a sharper and more refined profile. This subtle adjustment helps to elongate the neck and reduce the appearance of a double chin. The overall effect is a more elegant and sophisticated look, often favored in portrait photography and professional settings. Such a pose can convey confidence and poise, making it a simple yet effective technique for improving facial aesthetics. Dramatic rim lighting is a powerful technique used to highlight the edges and contours of a subject, resulting in a visually striking effect. By positioning lights behind or to the side, this method creates a glowing outline that separates the subject from the background. The enhanced contrast not only adds depth, but also draws attention to the shape and form, making the image appear more dynamic. This approach is often favored in professional photography and cinematography to evoke a sense of sophistication and intensity. When executed skillfully, rim lighting can transform an ordinary scene into something memorable and impactful.